Anna goes shopping. Welcome to Fluent Ease English, where you practice listening, speaking, and reflexes to make English a natural skill, just like your mother tongue. Today's lesson is about shopping. After this lesson, you will be able to ask about prices. How much is this? Talk about cost. It's too expensive, that's cheap. Ask for discounts or different colors. Can you give me a discount? Do you have this in blue? Try on clothes. Can I try it on? Pay politely. Cash or card? Here you are. Respond naturally. I'll take it. I'm just looking. Let's get started. Mini story. Anna goes shopping. Anna goes shopping on Saturday. She walks into a clothing store. She says, "Thanks, I'm just looking." She looks at many clothes. She sees a nice t-shirt. Anna asks, "How much is this t-shirt?" The shop assistant says, "It's $20. Anna says, "Sorry, it's too expensive. Can you give me a discount?" The shop assistant smiles. "Yes, I can give you 10% off." Anna asks, "Do you have this in blue?" The shop assistant says, "Yes, we have it in blue and in black." Anna says, "Great, can I try it on?" The shop assistant answers, "Of course, the fitting room is there." Anna tries on the t-shirt. She looks in the mirror. She likes it. Anna says, "Okay, I'll take it." At the counter, the shop assistant asks, "Cash or card?" Anna says, "Card, please." The shop assistant gives her the receipt and says, "Here you are." Anna smiles. "Thank you, that's cheap with the discount." Anna is happy. She leaves the store with her new t-shirt. Now it's time for the mini story Q&A. Listen carefully, answer quickly, and don't worry about mistakes. This step will make your English automatic. Let's begin. Mini story Q&A. Anna goes shopping. Anna goes shopping on Saturday. Who goes shopping? Anna. Does Anna go shopping on Saturday or Monday? On Saturday. Where does Anna go? To a clothing store. Anna says, "Thanks, I'm just looking." What does Anna say? "I'm just looking." Does Anna want to buy immediately or just look? She just looks. Who says, "I'm just looking"? Anna. Anna sees a t-shirt. She asks, "How much is this t-shirt?" What does Anna ask? How much is this t-shirt? Does Anna ask about the price or the color? About the price. Who asks, Anna or the shop assistant? Anna. The shop assistant says, "It's $20. How much is the t-shirt?" $20. Does the t-shirt cost $20 or $50? $20. Who says it's $20? The shop assistant. Anna says, "Sorry, it's too expensive. Can you give me a discount?" What does Anna say about the t-shirt? It's too expensive. Does Anna ask for a discount? Yes, she does. Does Anna think it's cheap or expensive? Expensive. The shop assistant smiles. "Yes, I can give you 10% off." What does the shop assistant give? A discount. How much discount does he give? 10%. Who gives the discount? The shop assistant. Anna asks, "Do you have this in blue?" What does Anna ask? Do you have this in blue? Does Anna want blue or red? Blue. Who wants the blue t-shirt? Anna, the shop assistant says, "Yes, we have it in blue and in black." What colors are available? Blue and black. Does the store have blue and black or blue and green? Blue and black. Who tells Anna about the colors? The shop assistant. Anna says, "Great, can I try it on?" What does Anna want to do? Try it on. Does Anna want to try or pay? Try. Who wants to try the t-shirt? Anna. Anna tries the t-shirt and says, "Okay, I'll take it." What does Anna say? "I'll take it." Does Anna decide to buy or return it? She decides to buy. Who takes the t-shirt? Anna. At the counter, the shop assistant asks, "Cash or card?" What does the shop assistant ask? Cash or card? Does he ask about payment or size? Payment. Who asks, cash or card? The shop assistant. Anna says, "Card, please." How does Anna pay? By card? Does Anna pay with cash or card? With card. Who pays with card? Anna. The shop assistant gives her the receipt and says, "Here you are." What does the shop assistant give? The receipt. What does he say? "Here you are." Who gives the receipt to Anna? The shop assistant. Anna smiles. "Thank you, that's cheap with the discount." What does Anna say? That's cheap with the discount. Does Anna think it's cheap or expensive now? Cheap. Who is happy with the discount? Anna. Great job! You've just finished today's lesson about shopping. Now you can ask about prices, ask for discounts, choose colors, try on clothes, and pay politely in English. Keep practicing these sentences every day and they will become automatic. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Fluent Ease English for more daily practice. See you in the next lesson. Bye. Take care.